Hello everyone, I'm Willem Osich. Welcome you to another edition of Botsplash TV, where I'll be diving into Botsplash's very own local meetup concept, Chat, Chew, and Brew, aimed at hosting business professionals and establishing connections. Botsplash recently hosted its third Chat, Chew, and Brew event here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We started Chat, Chew, and Brew back in October of 2022 because we wanted a better opportunity to meet sales and marketing people within the tech space. As such, we've just finished hosting our third Chat, Chew, and Brew event, where we were lucky to have a solid group of people show up for drinks and casual networking. So, if you're in the Charlotte area, please be on the lookout for any future Chat, Chew, and Brew events that we might hold, and we look forward to meeting you. I'm Willem Osich, and as always, thank you for watching Botsplash TV.